Now see here, kinetic theory of gases. So see here, the study of kinetic theory of gases is actually based on certain assumptions. So here certain assumptions I have written here, which you have to follow for studying kinetic theory of gases. Now let us see first one. A gas consists of large number of molecules which are perfect elastic spheres and identical in all respects. So all the molecules of the gas, of a given gas, have got their shape is perfect elastic sphere and they are same, they are identical in all respects. We have to assume this. And second one, molecules of gases are in random motion continuously and also they move in all directions. This is the second assumption. The third one is also here, the size of molecule is very small as compared to the distance between the molecules. So, this is the third assumption. Now, the fourth one, collision of molecules with themselves and walls are elastic. See, in gases, molecules keeps on moving in all directions, while this random motion they keep on colliding with each other and also they collide with the walls of the container wherever the gas is filled. So, all these collisions are perfectly elastic. Now, the fifth one is here, a molecule moves along a straight line between two successive collisions. So, when the molecules are moving and colliding with each other, so the path between the two successive collisions is taken as a straight line and also that is called free path. So, these are the main these 5 assumptions. There are certain more assumptions. The collision of the molecules taking place between the walls or between themselves, that is the instantaneous collision. So, this is also we can take one of the assumption that we can write as the sixth one, and also there is no interaction between the molecules of the gases unless they collide. So, the two molecules of a given gas can only interact with each other when they collide, otherwise there is no interaction between them. This is also one of the assumption is here. And also here, so there are around 6-7 assumptions. So, these assumptions we have to follow for studying the kinetic theory of gases.